What do we say?
Who's there?
Minibuds TV.
Let's learn, laugh, and grow together. Hello, hello, Minibuds friends. Are you ready to play and learn? Clap, clap, smile, smile. Let's meet our friends one by one. Mimi and Zozo, Toto and Lilo. Family fun, let's go, go, go! La la, playing games and time to play. Colors bright and smiles wide, safe at home. Home is fun and home is sweet. Who's there?
Wait just a second. Stop right there. Let's think smart and show we care.
If you don't know who's at the door, you don't open it, never, ever, ever more.
That's the rule I always follow. Hello, friend. Let me inside. I'm very nice. You can decide.
We know we shouldn't open the door to strangers.
I'm not sure. I feel confused. Good job. Your brain is being used.
Ask a grown-up, loud and clear. Mom or dad must always hear.
I'll call my parents right away.
It's Dad. I'm home today. It's Dad. Buddy, you were right.
Because you checked, you stayed safe tonight.
I'm proud of you. You did so great.
Safety skills are first rate. Stop and think, don't rush through. Ask who's there and what to do. Tell a grown-up.
Kids, what do we say?
Who's there?
Do we open the door for strangers?
No! Knock, knock, who's there? We stop and think, we show we care. Safe at home, safe and bright. We make smart choices day and night.
Remember, kids, safety first.
Every door, every time.